Hey guys, welcome to DIY with Megan. All the time I'm getting questions about refinishing furniture and specifically how to restain something. I've been refinishing furniture for a long time, so I figured that we'd put together some short clips to show you guys the most efficient way to do that.
In this video, we're going to show you how to do the first step, which is stripping the top to prep for stain.
What you'll need for this part of the project is stripper, a chip brush, a putty knife, a box you can throw away, and chemical gloves.
The top of this piece has a bad place on it. I'm hoping that by stripping and sanding we can get rid of this place, but if not, we'll fix it later with gel stain.
So first you want to spread your stripper out on your piece. I like to just pour it to start with, and then I'll use an old chip brush to spread it out with. You want to be generous with this part, but don't use too much because you're just wasting it. You'll notice that I'm not wearing gloves, but I do highly suggest it because if you get this stuff on your skin, it will burn you. Once you get it spread, let it sit. It'll do its job in about 15 minutes and then we'll be ready to scrape all that off. We've let it sit on there for about 15 minutes now. Now we're ready to take our putty knife and start scraping some of that stripper off of there. You want to be careful when you're running that metal putty knife that you don't mar into the wood. You want to put pressure on it, but you want to keep even pressure all the way across the piece. If you run with the grain of the wood, you'll be less likely to mar up in it, and it makes it easier to get off. Stripper's not going to get it all off, but what it doesn't get off, we'll be able to get off with a sander. I use my putty knife to scrape along the edges to try to get some of that extra stain and stuff off of there so we won't have to sand as much. Once I scrape all that off, I kind of make myself a pile in the middle, and that's where my old cardboard box comes into play. I'll use that cardboard box to get rid of all the extra stripper. If you put it in a plastic bag or something of that nature, it will eat right through it. That's it for our stripping video. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to sand the top of it and hopefully get this bad spot out of the desk. Thanks for watching DIY with Megan. If you would, please like, subscribe, and comment with any questions you have.